friends, welcome to Monday. And the weather was like crazy outside earlier, but it's really lightened up. I'm Chris. I'm the Modern Oiler. I hope you're having a great week. It's the end of the month. Lots of stuff is happening. Kids are on holiday and the price of petrol is going up in a week. But I want to help you make dishwasher tablets that do not break the bank, that are eco-friendly, your life friendly, your budget friendly, clean your dishes, do all the things they need to do, and don't cost an arm and a leg. Are you ready to do it? Last time I made this batch, I doubled the recipe, and that was in November, before Cyber Monday, before Black Friday. So that's been like 5 months I've been using these, and I just finished the last one yesterday. I'm making half of what I made last time just because when I was able to fill up a whole tray and then some, and what wound up happening was the stuff that I didn't fill up just became crumbly and didn't set as nicely. Sorry. These will set nicely if we keep them in the tray, and they'll be good. My internet is being selective, so I don't even understand. There's no way the connectivity is gonna be silly. All right, so I've got my bowl. I use washing soda. Washing soda is bicarbonate that's just been baked in the oven. So if you've got bicarb hanging around, you can bake it and make washing soda, or you can get your washing soda in bulk or whatever. So we are gonna make these dishwasher tablets too. I can't pronounce the name of this band, but they have redone Tom's Diner, which is a 1990s song sung by a girl in a Marissa Tomei movie. If you can name that movie, I will send you a free little citrus oil, because if you can name that movie, you might recognize it, but I love this movie. It was so sad, which all Marissa Tomei movies were. But these guys are German, and they do this song so well. So just listen, and it's like jazz, so cool. Jazzy, they're young. Anime can to write something, Giant Rocks or something. Okay, so we're gonna use a cup. Let me know if you can hear it. This one I got from Soap Barn, Danielle. I mean, this is a white, thin German kid with these pipes. Okay, then we're gonna take half a cup. So we've done a cup of washing soda. I know, it's so good. And half a cup of salt. So I'm just using table salt because your dishwasher likes it. And then citric acid. This is what gets your glasses nice and shiny clean. So we're gonna do a quarter cup of that. Such a good song. Here we're gonna do a quarter cup of citric acid. Ish. I'm gonna do 2 cupfuls of my Thieves Household Cleaner. This lasts you easily 4 to 5 months, depending on how much you use. 1 cup of this can go for a 500 ml in a glass jar with water, and is your like general household cleaner. So I'm using 2 cups of that. Then I'm using 2 cups of dish soap. You can use Thieves dish soap if you like. I'm actually using, I've just repurposed this with So Pure, because my amazing helper likes to blast through my dish soap and it stresses me out. So Pure makes it. I go to the refillery and I get it refilled like every 2 weeks or so for 20-something rand, which is really cheap, and it's got no nasties in it. Okay, so now for my citrus oil, I really recommend citrus oils for this. I usually use Citrus Fresh, that's my go-to. Lime is a great option. Orange, and grapefruit are also great options. You could also go for lemon, which I just don't have laying around here. But I'm gonna use Luscious Lemon, 20 drops of Luscious Lemon. It's on special this month still for, it's like 50% off. So it's a great, great deal. And it smells delicious, like candy. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 20-ish. Okay, so now I'm gonna stir it all up together. And it's got a nice, really fun chemical reaction that's happening as well. The song is still going on. Maybe for the whole length of my live, that would be cool. So, I'll just show you what's happening here. Let's see. I don't know how to do that. Okay. So there's this nice, I'm stirring with my lovely thing. You can already see the consistency starting to come out. So while it's this nice consistency, you want to pack it into, your ice cube tray. That I just use it for cleaning products because it's silicone, so it can pop out really nice and easy. That's the goal here, popping it out nice and easy. So I'm gonna stick it in this tray. I'm gonna let it sit overnight and harden, and then tomorrow it'll be ready to rock and roll and clean my dishes. Super simple, super easy, 5 minutes max, and that was with me talking you through it. And this is now Hidden Spirit by Henry and the Waiter. So some new music for you guys today, as well as a fun live. But go check out Tom's Diner and tell me what you think about that song. Have a great day, friends.